Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my Allah is also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. So please you must watch my video till the end. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas, shoulder bag for modern girls, daily use collection, most demanding collection. Beautiful ideas, most demanding. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work, different designing, some light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, crochet strap style, chain strap style, wooden handle, metal handle, pocket style, zipper style. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Bow tie style, crochet flower decorated ideas, different colors, mostly girls, beautiful handbags, crochet handbags, very nice, beautiful color, beautiful and fabulous crocheting work. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function, and casual at your office. So please follow my channel, like and share my video, good comment section, press the bell icon, like and share my video with your family, friends, with cousins, neighbors and your colleagues, and subscribe my channel. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care viewers, bye bye, and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.